So here we are. Everyone is setting up. It's going to be an exciting day. I'm going to go to Oklahoma. Everyone's setting up. It's so exciting. It's going to be a great day. Ooh, look at this. Beautiful.
Make sure you come back and get some samples.
Okay.
Free samples.
Everyone has their stuff out. Getting ready for a great day. It's going to be great. Ooh. Cupcakes. You go there. Wow, look at this wheel. Club Wyndham. Wow. They have a huge wheel. Ooh. Yummy. What do we have here? Confections. This is where all the good stuff is on this side. Ooh, we got frozen bananas.
No, that's okay.
Frozen bananas, yummy. And down here is where the Great Food Expo will take place. So we have lots of seating here, as you see. They'll be doing demonstrations, workshops, beverages. Oh, they do have boba. I'll be going over there. They have cooking stage, preparations. You usually get some great samples. Charcuterie making workshops. And down there is cookie decorating. And this is oh, they're not here right now, but this is amazing right here. You feel like you've transformed into Italy. Rico and Tony's Italian. But come down here and do some fun stuff here. So they have a schedule for 20 to 25 minutes, hands-on. So they have a schedule there. Great stuff back here, lots of fun, great food. And I want to try this. It says ricotta cake. That sounds delicious. Ricotta cake. Here's some waffles back here. So these are going to be different kinds of dips that you can try. And always the good stuff. Ooh, some honey. Yum. Popcorn. And the waffles. Yum.
How you doing?
I'm great. How about you?
Not too bad.
Good. Yay. We're going to be coming back here for some waffles.
They're free juice. Come back and grab the
Oh,
juice.
free and waffles? That's great. Right. And then we're getting into the vendor area over here. So we have all kinds of stuff. As you see, there's cosmetics, there's makeovers, there's tastings happening here. Tequila tasting. Okay. There's art. Anything you can think of is here. Jewelry, clothing. Oh, so you can take a picture here. Coach bags. Wow. Versace. Oh, a whole Versace booth. Ooh, look at that. So if you're looking for some high-end, that's for you. And then back here they'll be doing
Okay.
makeovers and hair, and it's like you come here and get your hair done. Here's a stage here for beauty treatments. Oh, this is in Lake Havasu. So they're here. HelloFresh is here. Dementia. And then we have some eyelashes going on there. Valerie Bertinelli will be here with a book signing at the Barnes & Noble booth. And this is the main stage, so I will be here speaking about entrepreneurship. So up on this stage here. So that should be exciting. Thank you all. Hope you get it out here today and join the Women's Expo and the Great Food Expo happening this weekend here in Phoenix, Arizona. And look for me, the bright, colorful booth in aisle 9.